Welcome to the Introduction to SQL Wildcards. In this video, you'll discover how to use flexible pattern matching to perform powerful searches in your databases. We'll explore the use of the %sign and the underscore, two essential tools for advanced data retrieval. Let's delve into the %sign wildcard. This wildcard represents 0 or more characters in a string pattern. You can use the %sign to find values that start, end, or contain a specific pattern. For example, to find all customers whose name starts with Joe, you would use the SQL query. Select asterisk from customers where customer underscore name like Joe %. To find all products that end with phone, use select asterisk from products where product underscore name like %phone. And to find products containing Apple anywhere in the name, the query would be select asterisk from products where product underscore name like %Apple %. Now let's discuss the underscore wildcard. The underscore represents exactly one character in a string pattern. Use this to find values with a specific length, match patterns where the character position matters, or search for values with specific character placement. For example, consider the pattern H_T. This pattern would match hat, hot, and hit. To find products with 4-letter names, you can use the SQL query. Select asterisk from products where product underscore name like ______. To find phone numbers with a specific format like 555____1234, use select asterisk from contacts where phone like 555____1234. Lastly, to find words with a specific second letter, such as a, use select asterisk from dictionary where word like _%. Combining wildcards allows you to create more specific and flexible search patterns. Consider the pattern _T%. This matches any string where the second, third, and fourth characters are AT, with at least one character before. Examples include data, cater, and battery. The pattern %PRO_UCT% matches any string containing PRO followed by any single character, then UCT. Examples include product, production, and byproduct. In SQL, combined wildcards can be used to find email addresses from a specific domain using select asterisk from users where email like %@gmail__%. Or to find products with a specific pattern, use select asterisk from inventory where product underscore code like ABC___%. Let's explore some practical examples of using SQL wildcards. To find customers with similar email domains, the query is select customer underscore name, email from customers where email like %@%mail.com. This would match email addresses like john@gmail.com, sarah@hotmail.com, and support@fastmail.com. To find products with specific model numbers, the query is select product underscore name, product underscore code from products where product underscore code like HP____%. This would match product codes like HP-123-B, HP-456-A, and HP-789-C. To find addresses in specific postal code patterns, the query is select address, postal underscore code from addresses where postal underscore code like NY____. This would match postal codes like NY101, NY207, and NY305. To find articles with specific words in the title, the query is select title, date underscore publish from articles where title like %SQL %guide%. This would match titles like Advanced SQL Guide, SQL Beginner's Guide, and the SQL Performance Guide. When using SQL wildcards, consider their impact on performance. Patterns that begin with a wildcard, especially the %sign, can slow down queries because they prevent index usage, causing full table scans. Complex patterns with multiple wildcards require more processing power and memory. Wildcard searches often return large result sets, increasing network and memory usage. To optimize performance, use trailing wildcards when possible, as patterns that end with wildcards can utilize indexes efficiently. For example, where name like Smith%. Combine wildcard patterns with other filtering conditions to reduce the result set. For example, where name like %Smith and city equals Chicago. For complex text searches, consider using database full text search capabilities instead of the like operator. Here are some common patterns and use cases for SQL wildcards. For email validation, use the pattern where email like %@%. To validate a basic email format with an symbol and domain separation. This will match user at example.com and info at company.uk, but not invalid-email. To match a specific phone number format, use the pattern where phone like left parenthesis underscore 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 right parenthesis space underscore 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 hyphen underscore 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 underscore. This matches 555-123-4567, but not 555-123-4567 or 555-123-4567. To find files with a specific extension, use the pattern where file name like %PDF. This finds all files with the .pdf extension, like report.pdf or annual_statement of 2023 PDF. To search for years in a specific decade, like the 2020s, use where year underscore field like 202 _. This will match years like 2023 or 2025. In summary, SQL wildcards are powerful tools for pattern matching. The % matches 0 or more characters, for example, SM% matches Smith, smart, and smile. The underscore matches exactly one character, for example, T_ matches Tim, Tom, and Tam. Combine both wildcards for precise pattern matching, like a _B%, which matches ACBAT, AZBox, and a 2BCD. For best practices, be specific with your patterns to improve performance. Avoid leading % when possible to effectively use indexes. Use additional filters to narrow down results and consider alternatives like full text search for complex text searching. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.